Okay, I have because remarkable spillover. People are complaining about the heat. Well, the guy's back is rolling down. He's quick enough to catch it. Those people are the closest to the lava here. See, some people are super close. I guess it's quite dangerous to be down there, because see how much lava is coming at a great speed. Let's zoom in, see what is happening there. My hands are burning and I'm standing 50 meters away, not so close. Yeah. See what is happening here. It's remarkable. We have rain going on now. It's raining. Very fast expansion along the edges of a new lava field here in Meradalir valleys. People really enjoy it. Today is August 5th, 2022, around 7-8 o'clock in the evening. It's getting more and more hot, so we have to move up further away. Move it up.